What's up everybody, Captain Gino here, and today we're going to talk about how to locate fish offshore in your fishery. Today we're going to be focused on shallow grass, and one of the most important things that's greatly overlooked, especially for guys that are fishing the same body of water on a regular basis, is what your water clarity is doing. Right now we're currently on the Harris chain of lakes, and our water is really dirty. Like Lake Harris, the north end, south end of Lake Harris, you have about 8 to 10 inches of visibility versus we usually have 2 to 3 foot. I generally like doors the same way, 8 to 10 inches of visibility in most of the lake. I generally like to start my search at 3-4 times the depth of the current visibility. This will allow me, the fish don't want to be in darkness, so this allows me to eliminate a ton of water. If you're constantly going on past history and you're like, oh, well, last summer I was catching in 12 foot of water. Well, what was your water clarity last summer, right? So right now our water's on the rise. We just had a hurricane blow through here, and this caused us to have a lot of really dirtied up water. So our fish are going to be a lot shallower now than they typically are. We're going to go out, we're going to graph around and see if we can find some fish. We're indoor, we haven't been over here in a little while. We're going to see if we can locate some fish. Generally speaking, during the summertime, you want to graph your main lake points, areas like this, areas that receive current. Those are going to be areas you want to focus on. I do know there's some grass indoor. We're going to go over and check and see if we can find some of that grass. I'm going to show you the techniques, the baits, and how I set up on these areas to catch these fish. But the most important thing is your water clarity. This is going to help you guys eliminate a ton of water. So you guys stay tuned, and hopefully we can get on some fish and share some of this information with you and show you how we go through, show you the process and what we're doing and how we're going to catch these fish. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are currently graphing down the side of a main lake point, and what I'm going to do here is what I like to call cutting lines. And what I mean by that is I don't just aimlessly go out and start graphing an area. I'm going to get in the depth I believe the fish are going to be in, just outside that depth, a little bit deeper, and I'm going to start using my trails and my casting rings so I can cut lines down an area. I can go all the way down, all the way back down, all the way up, all the way back down, and overlap my side scan. I'm going to cast my side scan out to 100 feet because I'm just currently looking for grass. There used to be grass in this area. I don't know if there still is. We're going to look and see if we can find any of that grass, and then I'm gonna go ahead and graph all the points and pockets on the grass, and I'm gonna look for bait and try and see where these fish are gonna set up. It's really hard to see fish in a shallow depth, 6-7 foot of water and in the grass, but oftentimes you can see them around the edges, or you can see bait and kind of get an idea of the depth, where the elevations are, where the better bottom is, and look for those key areas to target. So we're gonna go ahead and cut some lines. We're gonna spend 15-20 minutes doing this. Y'all stay tuned. Once we get set up on these fish, I'll kind of let you know what we found and how we're setting up on them. Like shad is the deal. I've been throwing some bluegill and some bluegill like imitation baits. Nothing. We've caught them on a trap. We've caught them on a chatterbait, both in shad patterns. Catching them big. Pressure's high right now, guys. It's something that you got to be mindful too. Like you can get in there and be like, oh, dude, there's just no bigs. We got to get out of here. But if you don't understand what's going on with your environment, with the environment the fish are in, you're going to miss a lot here in Florida. These fish are here for a reason. There are big fish here. It's just those big fish are not going to feed all day. When it's time, we'll let you know right before it goes down. It's going to happen, though. We're going to get on some bigs. All right, guys, so here's my setups for shallow grass. I have a shad-colored jackhammer, a bluegill-colored jackhammer. I have a mag trickworm, a Carolina rig, and I have 2 different traps, a shad pattern trap. The other one could go for a shad or a bluegill. We're going to be dealing with some like clouds and sun on off today, so I want to be able to make those adjustments on the fly. But that's basically it's like a 3-pronged approach, you know, like a soft plastic, a chatterbait, and a trap. We're going to be targeting shell and eelgrass in 5 to 6 foot of water. These are the baits that I find most success with on any fishery that I'm on. These are my go-tos. Y'all stay tuned. Let's see if we can catch a big.
I thought you picked it up earlier, and I was like, oh. Not a fish.
Guys, watch what I'm doing with this rattle trap. I'm not just throwing it out there and reeling it in. You can catch fish like that. When they're super active and they're willing to chase the bait and they're willing to come to the top, you can absolutely catch fish like that. But generally speaking, I like a longer rod. I have a 7.9 graphite cranking stick. It's 100% graphite cranking stick. And I'm gonna make a long cast out there. I'm using a 1/2 ounce booyah. I like the booyah because it runs a little deeper than the red-eyed shad. If I have grass that's more topped out, I'm gonna use a red-eyed shad. I had somebody ask me that question last night. I think it's important for you guys to know. So I'm gonna let that bait fall to the bottom and I'm gonna pull it up. That 7.9 allows me to cover a lot of distance. And I'm gonna come down on semi-slack line because a lot of times that line will just jump when they hit it. And I'm gonna rip that line back up off the bottom and I'm gonna slowly follow it back down. This is going to allow me to mimic like a dying shad and trigger that reaction strike.
Dude, their house is massive on that lake. One side is oh. That's what we need, Gino. That's what. Oh my gosh! You extended the net for me. Oh no!
Oh, baby, choked that thing.
Choked it. Holy
I looked up, I said the weather's changing, like the clouds went away. I switched to a different chatterbait, guys.
Got that.
Switched my retrieve.
Got it done. That's what we need for this bag, y'all. That's what we need. Let's go. Look at that sauciness. Yeah.
This spot's fire, dude.
So fire.
Stuck him.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, he's running off to the right, real good. Oh, it's a good, it's a netter. Oh! Let's go.
Boom, baby! Now we're working on a bag.
Another bag fish. Look at that. Oh, popped out in the net again.
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. That's another good one. Let's go.
Great stud Zilla, dude.
Oh, on that
We regraphed, guys, and we're like, there's where all the big fish are at.
Oh yeah, y'all. We were fishing it wrong. We were fishing that dink fest. We were up more shallow and we were catching a bunch of dinks and I'm like, Gino, I don't think this is it. Then we graph around. Gino was like, okay, graph around, and then boom.
I'm like,
hey,
oh,
look at those fish. Look at all those fish. Hey, look at all the fish on the side scan.
Oh, they're everywhere.
They're everywhere out here. Yeah. Oh, what do you got? What do you got going on there, Gino?
Oh, that's what I was getting ready to look at that. That barometer fell almost a whole point.
Oh yeah, dude.
That equals that.
That equals that.
Oh, no, 1,019.9, it's still dropping.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, look, I pin I don't know if you can see that, I pin the barometer when I first get out here, and oh my God, that's a big one. Big shadows from
Oh, you're right. Crazy. Get him! Get him! Get him! Biggin? Oh! Oh! Health bag? Oh!
Guys,
look at that.
I'm gonna tell you the importance. I don't have forward-facing sonar, but I have side scan, and my units are networked, so I was able to see the fish on the side scan up front. They just look like little streaks. I see him swimming by. He's not a weller, right? I see him swimming by. I throw my bait over to where I seen him swimming, and bam! I can't tell you how many times I've caught fish using that side scan up front while sitting still and catching fish.
Heck yeah. 20 fish by now, I think?
Yeah. I think I said this earlier, but the weather conditions, knowing what's going on in the weather is like imperative too, guys. Like, we knew we were dealing with super high pressure. That pressure started falling, so we stayed put, we stayed patient, we didn't go running around and miss the opportunity to catch fish because we knew it was going to drop here shortly. So pressure was through the roof, we stayed patient, and we were able to get some more bites and some better quality immediately. Like 100%.
Decimated it. They probably just repositioned somewhere else.
We moved another 50 feet, so
Freshwater.
see. If not, I want to try that soft catch all by itself out there.
Got him right there.
Good,
That's
nice.
good. That's a good, dude.
Good, nice.
That is a good. Oh my gosh, dude!
Freaking
Oh my
giant.
gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Loosen up the drag. Loosen up the drag. Loosen up the drag. Oh my gosh! Do not pop off. Do not do it, dude. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Barometer's falling.
Dude.
Big girls are chewing. There's the 20 pounds. I see it. I can smell it. Oh, we got it, dude!
Oh my gosh!
Dude,
Oh my gosh!
That's a 7 or 8 pounder.
Dude, that is a giant right at the boat, Gino. Oh,
I feel like
look
saying-
at this. Look at this giant, y'all. Oh my gosh.
That is so epic.
That is nuts, dude.
I don't know what's happening with
Oh,
our
no.
rods.
Oh no. Oh
I
no.
don't know what's
Oh
happening.
no. Oh no. Oh no, dude.
Dude, that is a stud leak.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh no.
Oh,
What's that?
no, that was your camera.
Which one? Dang it, dude.
That's 20 pounds. Go find the small.
Yo, let's go. Do we want to keep them all night?
I mean, we're gonna, for a thumbnail, we're about to have that freaking bag, son.
Yeah, dude.
That barometer's still falling.
Oh,
Dude, that is like actual factual. Guys, the barometer matters, dude. You guys gotta pay attention to it. I can't preach it to you enough. I promise you, if you guys do, you're gonna catch more fish and bigger fish in your area tomorrow. Shit.
Right there, if you ain't throwing the right thing, you ain't gonna catch him anyway.
Yeah, no doubt.
Oh, geez, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at
Oh my god.
Look at
Oh,
that.
dude, what the? Dude. Oh.
that. That was crazy.
He's up there chasing a big old shad.
Yeah, I need to put that
There you
shot
go.
down.
Get him. Got him. Get him. Got him, biggin', dude. Biggin'. Son.
Oh!
Dude, I'm telling you, that switchblade is the freaking goat, son.
choked
He
it.
choked it, dude.
Oh!
Dude.
That is nuts, dude. Dude, that's good. And holy cow, dude. I'm switching over to chatterbait.
I put one down there for you, dude.
I know you did.
Yeah, but they always do that too. That's a beautiful fish, brother.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
No, but she looks like she's 23, 24 inches long. That's a daggone good one, though. Dude, are we gonna bust 20 twice in a row?
Dude, you throw the box.
Throw it in the box?
Yeah, dude.
I just threw a 4-pounder back in the water.
I know, but now it's
I'll put
on
mine to 800, 200 to 800, 100 to 800.
6,400 on mine.
I should do that, right?
Yeah, it will just automatically adjust.
Are you
to, like,
fliggers to auto?
Uh,
Does it blow out when you go like clouds, no clouds?
It does. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, that's mine.
There's one.
Dang it, dude.
Giant,
Oh my
dude.
gosh,
Giant.
Oh my gosh.
Giant.
No.
Absolute gorilla, dude. Look at that. Ooh,
my
son.
Oh my gosh. What is this gonna be, the 5th fish? And I got. Oh my gosh, dude. See if I can Filming net. Filming net. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I'm terrible. Oh, get in the net.
Worst net man ever.
Worst net man ever. Oh, dude. Filming a net at the same time, dude. That is a giant. Oh my gosh.
Putting that smack down. Tyler's getting them cheeks clapped,
Oh,
boy.
yeah.
Wow,
Oh,
boom.
yeah. I am like sucking it.
All right, everybody, that is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the content. Oh, I didn't even put Tyler in this video yet.
What's
Tyler's
up,
been
y'all?
in this video
What's
all
up?
day,
I've
dude.
been in it the whole time. You
The
just
whole
didn't
time.
know.
I
You
gave
just
you
didn't see
guys.
it.
You didn't see him.
You didn't
He's
see
there
it.
though.
I'm there.
He was there the whole time. Hopefully you guys gained something from this. I tried to share the best I could of how I like to approach fishing offshore grass and the techniques and lures and setups I use to land the most fish in that area. So
Yeah, y'all. Gino gave you the juice. Like, you gotta
juice.
apply that. Like, he was like talking to y'all, and I'm like sitting over here like, I'm like writing this stuff down. I'm like, yeah, y'all, you gotta like, up, subscribe, like, cause he gave you the juice today. For real.
The
For real.
juice. I'm not gonna keep all the fish catches in there, just a few for you guys, but we caught we've been here for 4 hours. We caught, the first 3 hours we were here. The last hour it's kind of fizzled out on us, but the first 3 hours we caught like 40 something fish. It was absolutely insane. Just like wham, 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 wham. We'd see them on the side scan go by, we'd smack one. Pretty epic stuff. A lot of fun. We had a lot of fun out here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you have not yet, please like and subscribe. It helps me out tremendously. I can deliver better content to you guys, more content, more often. I want to keep improving this channel, but I need your guys' help. So help your brother out, man. Until next time, everybody, tight lines.